everyone will know that investing into clean technologies will allow the country to be richer. Sustainable infrastructure will increase the wealth of the country and the GDP of the country. For example, now in Africa, if you invest $1 into solar power, you create $15 of increase of GDP. So the leverage is absolutely great. Now, what we have to understand is that countries and governments need to include this in their legal framework, otherwise it will never work. We won't make any progress. Now we clearly have to replace the old polluting device by new clean technologies, then it will make the difference.
Okay, thank you so much for your time, Bertrand, and bon voyage.
Thank you very much. Bye, Charlotte.
That was pilot Bertrand Piccard there talking to me from the cockpit of the Solar Impulse as it attempts to make the first ever round-the-world solar flight. Norway may be poor when it comes to the sun, but it's certainly rich when it comes to oil. Yet Norway was one of the first countries in the world to ratify the Paris Treaty at a UN ceremony in New York.